So here we have a 2014 Skoda Yeti. It's got just over 68,000 miles on the clock, and it's the 1.2 petrol engine. So on this 2014 Skoda Yeti, I've just carried out a service, and it's got an inspection light on. If I put the ignition on, there you can see that. Now there's two parts to reset on this one. There's also an oil warning light which hasn't come on yet, but I'm going to go through the procedure to reset both of them. So the first one, I'm going to try and do it one-handed. You need this button up here. You need to hold that in and turn the ignition to position 2, and you can see it comes up with reset oil change service. So you use this to scroll down or up, OK, press it, service reset. So that's done. But as you can see, we've still got the inspection now. So with ignition off, put the hazard lights on, come back here, same again if I can, hold the button down, ignition on, and it says reset inspection service. Are you sure? Just confirm by pressing in the roller. Okay, reset. So now I'll turn everything off and back on. That's it, it's all cleared and reset. Hopefully that will help someone. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.